Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session will be learning how to get a multiple matches. So I have a small data with the employee, product quantity and the amount. And we are trying to find the each employee, how much they have done the sales. So we can use a sum if function to get the total of it. But I want to get the what is the each amount they have, what are the each sales they have done. So I need to get the each amount. So when you see this 101 and 101 here, both are same, and we have the different amounts here, right? So let me color it so that it brought. So now you know that I know this, if we total it will be 1,50,000, but I want to get the breakup of this amount here. If you use XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, you may get the first value, because the VLOOKUP looks for the first value and picks the value there. It will going to ignore the other part. So for this, how to get these values here, we can use a filter function. Let's start using the filter function. Filter, open bracket. So it says array. What you are trying to get is nothing but the amount column. So I'm going to select the entire amount, log the cells using F4 function. So we are log the cells here, dollar sign, comma. So it asks for a include. What you try to include? Include the employee numbers. So I am going to use the employee number. Similarly, I am going to log these cells using the for function. So I have logged the dollar sign both these cells so that the range cannot be changed. After that, so in this we are trying to find the employee number. So what you can do is you put it as equal and select this cell and close the bracket. So if you hit enter, now you can see 1,20,000 and the 30,000 is picked. But the problem is, like, this is filling out, this data is spilling out to the next employee number. That is incorrect, right? So I can't copy the formula down now. Instead of getting this, I want to get it on this rows. To get it on this rows, you can use the transpose. Just type transpose, open bracket and close the bracket, because we are trying to open the two brackets, one from here, one from here. So we need to close with the two brackets. Hit enter. Now you can see total is picked. If I copy this formula down, automatically it picks the data. Let's say I will change this to 101. Now you can see the data is picked here. So n number of things you added down, automatically the date total will be picked here. So finally, if you want, you can say that this is the end. You can go ahead and sum up these values. So you know that what all the data it has picked. So this is one way of getting it. Say example, so I don't want the amount column. Okay, let's say I want to know that what type of product he has sold here. Okay, so similarly, now I don't want to get it in a all the columns. I need to get it in a one cell, the entire data. So for that, what you can do is use array to text. Array to text, what it does, it's going to give it in a one cell, bifurcating by a comma. So open bracket. Now we use the filter function. Okay, filter function, we are trying to get the products. So I'm going to select the product column, use F4 function to log the cell, comma. We are trying to check this product column based on the employee. So it says include. So we need to include the employee names, numbers. So I'm going to select this cell, use F4 and equals. You're putting a equal here because we want to search the employee 101. So I'm going to select this, close the bracket, hit enter. So maybe I should close with the double bracket, because array is one text, one bracket, and for the filters also one bracket. So if we hit enter now you can see each employee has sold laptop, webcam, and monitors. This 103 has sold only keyboard and printer. So everything comes in a single cell. If you don't want in single cell, then you can use the transpose instead of this arrow to text. Arrow to text, what it does, it's going to create a a comma in between the cells, and you will get it in a single cell. So it's all the data is in I2. Okay, so this will give a easy reference that what that each person has sold. You can get in a one shot. It's like a text join, but similarly, but that no need to give the delimit, so it automatically takes here as a comma as a default. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other thing. I'll try to create a video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.